Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's video, we've partnered up with Ohora to unbox and review their best-selling semi-cured gel nail strips.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's get started. Before we begin application, I wanted to share a little bit about Ohora with you guys. They are the #1 selling gel nail brand in Korea and Japan. They are also a bestseller on Amazon in the nail art wraps category. Today I'll be sharing with you their semi-cured gel nail wraps. These are awesome because they have the longevity and the gorgeous shininess of a gel manicure, but the ease and time-saving ability of a sticker. Ohora offers over 700 designs for nails and even pedicures. Because this is a gel product, you will need an LED light to fully cure these. And if you sign up right now on the Ohora site, you can get this lamp for free. And this little light is small but mighty, and I love the design and shape of this. It makes it super portable so you can do a manicure on the go. So these can last up to 2 weeks, but Ohora also sells a pro nail primer, which I'm going to start with, and this is going to help the nail strip stick to your natural nail better and help the longevity of the manicure. And the strips are totally good on their own, but they also offer a pro glossy top coat. This will just seal that nail strip in to add even more longevity to your manicure and, of course, make it extra shiny. Okay, so let's get started with the application. For today's video, I will be using this set, and it's called In Nudist, and it comes with a really gorgeous gold glitter accent nail in this really pretty neutral beige color for the other nails. Each kit comes with 2 prep pads and a little envelope with a nail file and wooden stick. The first step is to make sure your hands are washed thoroughly, and then you want to use the prep pad to wipe away any oil, water, or any other moisture that may be on your nails. Sweat, oils, creams, and any other moisture present on your natural nails can reduce nail strip adhesion, which means your manicure won't wear as long. Next, you want to select the strip that best fits the size of your nail, and these are conveniently on a clear piece of plastic, so you can just line it up over top of your natural nail to see which size will work for you. And be sure to check the markings on the sheet to confirm which sides of the strip should be facing the cuticle and free edge. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the Pro Nail Primer. You want to brush a thin coat of the primer onto your bare nails, leaving a little gap of at least 2 millimeters from the cuticle. This forms a thin, sticky coating to allow the nail strips to better adhere to your nail surface, and it's also going to protect your natural nails. Let the primer air dry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you're ready to apply the strips. Peel off the transparent film sheet, and then you want to apply the strip to the nail, leaving a slight space between the strip and your cuticle. If you need to, you can stretch these strips to better fit the shape and size of your nail. Then just smooth and press down that strip so that it is secure on your nail. Then you can trim off the excess and use the enclosed file to file away any of the leftover strip. You can use nail clippers to remove the excess. You can also tear off the excess with your fingernails. You can even rub the excess strip onto a hard surface, and this should rub it down enough to where the excess will just come right on off, or you can use nail scissors as well. But be careful not to clip too close to your free edge. You can always file off smaller amounts of the excess material. Each one of these kits contains 16 basic designs and 14 accent strips. So you get to mix and match and customize this manicure to make it your own. Now use the enclosed wooden nail stick to smooth the strip along the edges and the sides of your nail. This is going to make sure it's adhered properly. Now go ahead and cure the strips 1 to 3 times under the Ohora gel lamp. Curing time will vary depending on the design you do. Designs with thicker gel or gems or nail decals will require a little bit longer curing time. And then after it's cured, go ahead and check to see if the strips have cured completely and make sure the edges are nice and smooth. If you need to, you can file again to smooth the edge and finish your nails. And lastly, I'm going to use the Pro Glossy Top Gel. This is going to increase the shine and the durability of your nail strips. Just apply a thin coat of this to all of the nails and then cure again. If your nail strips have gems on them, just apply the top coat to the surrounding areas, not to the nail gems. And if they have pearls, apply it directly over the pearls. And there you have a gorgeous salon quality gel manicure that you did in no time. Applied like a sticker, cures like a gel, wears like a gel. This is going to save you so much time. When you're ready to remove your manicure, you can use the Ohora Easy Peel Remover. It's a non-drying hypoallergenic solution that's specifically formulated to remove nail strips, and it contains active ingredients that are tough on gel but gentle on your nails. To remove the nail strips, just drop 1 or 2 drops of the remover on the edge of your nail. I like to go around at the edge of the sticker just to try to get an edge up, and then you just wait 2 or 3 seconds for the nail strip to completely absorb the remover. You can also soak the wooden stick in the remover and then push the stick gently along the edge of your nail strip and nudge the strip in the direction of your cuticle to minimize damage to your nail. Keep pushing until the entire nail strip lifts up and detaches from your nail. It's important to wait long enough for the nail strip to absorb the remover completely. This means that the remover should soak through underneath the strip. Attempting to remove the strip that is insufficiently soaked with remover could result in the damaging of your natural nail. Then, once all the nail strips have been removed, wash your hands and you're ready to apply a new set of Ohora gel nail strips. Ohora ships to the US for now, but they're looking to add more countries soon. And if you go on there right now, there are tons of promotions. You get free shipping over $50. You also get that free gel lamp with sign up. And if you take a quiz, you get 15% off code. Members also get care tools when purchasing an order over $70. So make sure you check out ohora.com. And a big thank you to Ohora for sponsoring this video. For more Cute Polish videos, be sure to click on the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. And for more videos like this, just click on the boxes here. To check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here. As always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye!